Everyone, this is Jackie from GemLightbox. We're here in lovely Las Vegas. I'm here with Judy from Padis Jewelry, and they're based out of San Francisco. Judy, so good to see you today.
Oh, thanks.
And Judy, you've been one of our long-time customers.
Yeah, from the very beginning.
The very beginning, amazing. And you have basically all of our GemLightbox models.
Yeah, I've got the whole thing.
Fantastic. Can you tell us over the years, how has the GemLightbox helped your business in terms of saving time, cost?
Unbelievable. The biggest challenge years ago was photography. And to have a good picture of jewelry was so hard to get. And you were hiring people, they never did it right, they never got the lighting right. And now it's amazing. I mean, the quality of the pictures on our website are world class. And it's because of the GemLightbox.
I'm so glad to hear that. And which product did you end up purchasing today with us?
It was the Super Pro Max.
Super Pro.
Oh my gosh. The AI component, it'll make it so my staff can start with the AI and tweak it. But it'll make it a lot easier for them to put in the content.
Gotcha. And I think out of all the features that you saw today, the AI is definitely your favorite, right? Just
the lighting.
the lighting, yeah.
Yeah, the circular lighting going around and you can adjust the warm and the cool light.
Right.
I mean, that's a game changer.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I can't wait to get started.
Amazing. Yeah, I'm so excited for you.
Yeah, no, we're really excited.
Prior to having the GemLightbox, how much time and energy were you spending?
It was a nightmare.
Yeah.
Well, it was a nightmare. And you spend all this time and the pictures were never good. And the background was never clear, or all of a sudden there'd be a piece of dirt or dust and you had kept having to reshoot, where this just makes it clean and simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's game changer.
Amazing. And if you could kind of sum up why you would recommend the GemLightbox to colleagues and jewelers in the industry, how would you describe it?
It's interesting because we carry a lot of the brands like Takora and Rajo, and they provide us with beautiful pictures. But then I couldn't put anything else on the website because their pictures were so nice and ours were not. And now we can. And it makes just a huge difference.
Definitely. And it gives you that level of consistency.
Exactly.
Right? Amazing. Final question for you, Judy. If you can describe the GemLightbox in one single word, what would it be?
Game changing.
Game changer? I like that one.
Judy Padis, and I'm owner of Steve Padis Jewelry Plus, also known as Padis Jewelry. And we have 5 stores, and we've been in business over 50 years, which is amazing. And the industry's been great to us.